Hello everyone and welcome to Informatica support videos. In this video, we will be covering how to configure Profile Warehouse and create contents for Profile Warehouse in data quality. The agenda of the video is to understand what is a Profile Warehouse, what is it used for, the configuration and demonstration. In data quality, Profile Warehouse is used to store the profile and scorecard results. So if you do not have the use case of using a profile or a scorecard, you can skip configuration of the Profile Warehouse. Profile Warehouse supports only specific type of databases, so either native or JDBC connection is supported. ODBC is not supported with respect to Profile Warehouse. So only SQL Server, Oracle and DB2 is supported database type for the Profile Warehouse. Now when you specify or when you choose to use one of the database, ensure that minimum of 10 GB of disk space is available for the database. If you are willing to use JDBC connection for Profile Warehouse, you need not install any client, but if you are going for a native connection, ensure that the database client is installed on the machine where you want to run the data integration service. Now let's see a quick demo of how to configure this. Now let us see how to configure this. So whenever you create a data integration service, and if you do not create, by default you will see such message in the admin console. The message prompts that the Profile Warehouse database is not configured and we need to specify the Profile Warehouse. So to specify Profile Warehouse, we just have to scroll down and look for the Profile Warehouse options. So if you scroll down in the admin console, you would see Profiling Warehouse Database Properties. So in this, just edit this and specify the connection. Before you specify connection, it is must that you create the connection in the admin console. So from the connections tab, we have to create the connection. So in my case, I have created a Profile Warehouse connection which I will be using. So just go back to DIS, edit the property, and here we have to choose the connection. So I'll be choosing the same Profile Warehouse connection which I have already created. So now we have updated the connection. It will take some time to reflect the connection over here. Now once the connection is created, the message will disappear and you will see a different message which says that the Profile Warehouse contents do not exist. So now we have specified the connection. We have to create the contents within the connection. So content creation is nothing but the table creation in the backend. So we have to click on actions, click on the Profile Warehouse database contents and click on create. So this process will create multiple tables which are with respect to Profile Warehouse, which will be used to store the profiling and the scorecard run results. So this process will take some time, and now I think we have the Profile Warehouse contents created. So in this way, we can create the Profile Warehouse for the data integration service. And once the Profile Warehouse contents are created, we can go ahead and run the profiles and the scorecards. If you want more information on this, you can very well refer the knowledge base, or you can refer the application service guide or the administrator guide. We would love to hear from you on the feedback of the video. You can write us at supportvideos@informatica.com or you can tweet us at the given link. Thank you.